Have you ever wanted to be an international seller? If so, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to expand from Amazon USA to Amazon UK. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO and founder of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. So step number one is to ensure you have a passport, a bank account statement, and an international chargeable credit card, meaning that your credit card can be charged in any country. It has to be an international credit card. So if you have those three things, then we can move to the next step. The next step is to go to inventory, then sell globally tab. Once you go there, you're going to see this page. If you don't have access to this page, you need to upgrade to a professional seller account. Once you're upgraded, you can click on Europe, and then this is where you can register to sell in Amazon United Kingdom. And you're just going to click continue right here, and it's going to ask you for those documents that I just said. Just make sure everything matches up, right? So your credit card statement address should be the exact same as your address on Amazon Seller Central. If not, you can easily go into Amazon Seller Central and change it. Everything needs to match up, or Amazon's going to scratch their head and say, are you actually who you say you are? They're just going to verify your identity, and then they're going to approve you. Once you're approved, it's going to look like this, where it says Europe, you are approved. It's got this green check mark. Not only are they going to give you access to the Amazon UK, but they're also going to give you access to Germany, France, Italy, Spain, Netherlands, Belgium, Sweden, Poland. More to be continued, but that's pretty awesome. And now you're set and you can start creating your listings. So you're just going to go to this drop down, find United Kingdom, and create the Amazon listings. You're just going to recreate them from the US. So just copy the ASIN, the UPC code from the US, and recreate them in Amazon UK. It's going to be almost exactly the same. You're just going to go here, go to catalog, add products. The category might be a little bit different, but just make sure when you create it, it has the same UPC code. That way it has the same ASIN and all the reviews convert over. Once your listings are created in the UK, just like mine are below, before you ship an inventory into Amazon FBA, you're going to need an EOIR number. You can go to this website, andrewmalto.com/EOIR number. He gives you the whole breakdown on how to get an EOIR number. This is an economic operator registration and identification scheme to tracking imports and exports within the EU. So you're going to need this when you ship items to the EU. It's free to get. You don't need a VAT. You don't need a business. He gives you a step-by-step guide. You can also go on Fiverr.com and hire somebody for around $100 who can get this number for you, but he literally tells you exactly how to get it. Once you have that EOIR number, then you're going to be getting your VAT number. So to get your own VAT, Amazon can actually help with the VAT. So you're going to go to the search bar, type in VAT services to get to this page. So we're going to do VAT service, and you should see manage your VAT, something like that. You need to be in the United Kingdom to see this. You're going to click this, and then it should take you to the VAT services on Amazon dashboard. This is where Amazon can help you get the VAT, review your VAT filing info. So pretty much they have like a step-by-step guide so you can get your VAT, and that is pretty much the special number so you can pay taxes in the UK when you start generating sales. After you get your VAT, it's time to ship inventory in. So now you're just going to convert all of your items into Amazon FBA, and then you're simply going to click send and replenish inventory. You're going to follow all of the steps to get that inventory into Amazon. And they're going to give you a label at the end. The label is going to be an Amazon label. It's also going to have the warehouse that you want it to be shipped to. So it's going to have the UK warehouse. All you have to do is go to ups.com. and then give them the information. So Amazon's going to give you a label. It's going to have where it's supposed to be shipped to. You give that to UPS. Then UPS is going to print a label as well. So you're gonna have two labels on your box, an Amazon label, and you're going to have a UPS label. You hand it off to UPS. UPS does the rest. They might ask you for your EOIR number. They may ask you for your VAT number. When you'll know you have it, then it's going to arrive at Amazon's facility in the UK and you'll be good to go. I highly recommend using UPS your first time because they know what they're doing with international shipments. They're one of the best international shippers. So if something goes wrong, they need a special invoice, they need a special form, they have templates for that. So UPS can take care of you when it comes to international shipments. After you start doing this for a while, you can start finding a freight forwarder that's a better price than going with UPS. But it's a great way to start. And that's it for today's video. I hope that you learned something new. And if you did learn something new, drop a like and a subscribe, turn on those notifications because I'm going to be launching a lot of videos that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with this launching into the UK, launching internationally, this is exactly what we specialize in. Feel free to contact us at EHP Consulting Group. Thanks again.